So today I decided I want to be a fashion designer, but like a Vishal Mega Mart version. I woke up feeling really creative, and since this is my channel, I can be anything I want. Can you please ignore the fact that I look like I just woke up? Because I did. Anyways, I want to try these 2 TikTok trends that I saw on TikTok. And I hate the way my arms look. But do I care though? Yes, I do. I'm gonna change. Yep, better. So I'm gonna post pictures of the trends that I wanna try. I've seen like 2 videos, but I think I get a pretty good idea of what to do. I have these 2 girls that I don't wear, but I don't want to just throw away. Voice over Palika taking over. The lockdown is extended, so I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. A dog is barking in the background. I need her to shut up. Like, can I please record in peace? Okay. Wow. Thank you. The soundtrack of my life right here. So DIY. Wow, so fun. Was that necessary? Anyways, I cropped the 2 tees, and the black one I cut the front, and the gray one I cut the back, and I cut the hem out. I'm not sure if that's a hem. I'm gonna have to Google that. But then I had to stitch the black hem and the shirt together for like the front part, and then it was so cute that heaven itself shined on me. The second one took me so long, but fashion designers all over the world are shaking in their boots right now after witnessing my sewing talent. Nift, if you want to, I will link my email down below. You can contact me anytime you want. Anyhow, I completed the sewing and I pat myself because I did a good job. I had a little bit of YouTube moment here, and I used the bobby pin to help myself with the bag. I wanted the bag to look like this, and yes, it's done. Good job. So I'm here in the bathroom to try these. I'm wearing glasses because I can't see, but let's see how this goes. I'm kind of excited. I hate it. I don't know, I just hate it. This is so ugly. I actually thought this would be cute. Like, how do people wear this? If it's a windy day and I'm wearing this, like, everything would be out. Like, what the hell? This could be cute, but on me it just looks... Okay, so this has potential. I mean,
this is so humiliating!
It's better than the first one. My phone is... she's testing my patience! I need to get out of these ASAP. But yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, I'll see you next time.